Hi YouTube, I'm Shahzad and welcome in xsplit. Today I'm going to show you how can you download and also install the latest software from the xsplit family. Yes, I'm talking about the capture. So I'm going to share my desktop so you guys can easily understand. Here, as you can see, I have received the email from the xsplit that they have the capture software, and now it's ready to download and install. If you find the xsplit from the official website, so here as you can see they have the vcam premium, you know very well. They have the presenter premium, they have the broadcaster, which is a premium. Okay, if you want to download the all softwares, you have to purchase the premium bundle. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the capture. This is the capture. So this is the capture logo. So now if I click on this page, it will redirect me from my panel to the dashboard. So before downloading, you have to log in with the account on xsplit website. So click on the get started. Now it's redirecting you from the main page to the dashboard. So here as you can see, you have a broadcaster. We also have a broadcaster. So this is the presenter and this is the vcam. Okay, so as you can see, I already using the vcam. So click on the download button. So thank you for downloading. If you want to, okay, I'm just clicking the download button. Sorry, just click on the download button and we are ready to go. It's giving us the software. I'm installing at I'm downloading the software in G Drive. So as you can see, 1.0.211 version. So it takes time, 79 MB setup. So go to the previous link and another previous link. Click on this one once again and go to the official page on xsplit. Okay, so now you can see record or screenshot your desktop and share it instantly. Okay, so here they have also some content or the documentation or the text. Step 1, select the area of your screen you want to capture. Fine. Step 2, make a video or take a screenshot and add annotations or voiceover. Awesome. Okay, paste and share the unique link so other can see it. That's it. You have 3 steps. All you will capture in the cloud. Fine. Create a video recording or screenshot. Fine. Win back your time with xsplit capture. Fine. 24-hour support and lifetime update. That's it. I always use the active presenter, by the way, and I always record my screen or the desktop screen by using the active presenter. Okay, so I have downloaded the xsplit. Click on this download or the software. Now xsplit capture. Yes. You can also select your own language. I am selecting the English. It's by default language. Just click on this one and select your own language. Fine. Click on the next button. Click on the next button again. You can select your folder where you are going to install this one. So by default, it's program files, xsplit and capture. You can also change by clicking browse and select your folder. So next install. So now the system is installing the capture software for you. Don't worry, I think it takes 1 to 2 minutes. It depends on your desktop speed. Okay, that's it. It's extracting the file from archive, validating the files, removing something, updating component registrations, copying new files, updating components, copying new files. Wow. Creating shortcuts, and it's about to complete. Removing backups. That's it. You have successfully installed the capture from the xsplit family. I am going to share my desktop. So this is the desktop. Wait for a few seconds. Now I'm saying add source desktop. Yes. So this is the setup. Just click on the finish button. Wait for a few seconds. Allow access. It's a Windows Defender firewall. That's it. Now I have already the xsplit account. Just click on the sign in button. It's redirecting you from your applications to the website. Logging in as Shazad. Authorizations with xsplit. You may now close this window and return to the applications. Fine. Okay, once you log in with your account, just click on this menu. Click on the capture, this icon or this logo. As you can see, this is the setting. Start capture. Go to the settings. If you click on the journal, you have options here. You have some options here. Let's suppose you are taking a screenshot and you are recording the videos and you want to store in your local drive and also the cloud. So you have to click on the both section. Fine. If you want to store all the stuff in your local drive, just click on the local. If you want to store all the stuff in your cloud, just click on the cloud. Fine. I'm selecting the both because I want to store all the stuff in my local drive and also in cloud. Okay. So in this folder, in the capture and also the xsplit recordings. So I have created these two folders. Fine. So this is the local folder. You are storing all the stuff here. If you want to change this one, just click on the change and select your drive. Now you are storing all the stuff in the G drive. I'm changing once again in the H drive. I have a xsplit folder and also I have a capture folder. Fine. Just click on this one. That's it. Okay. If you click on the hotkeys, by default, if you want to start the capture, start capture. Now I'm changing these ones. Select the area, control B for the starting, for control space for the pausing, control N for the ending. Now close this one, go to the menu, select the menu. You can also start your capture here because we have just used the hotkey, so that's why I'm pressing control B. So you can see you have a take a screenshot, record a video. If you want to take the screenshot, just click on this one, select your area and press this button. Fine. It's automatically redirecting you to your cloud. As you can see, this is your xsplit and this is a cloud. You can also find all the stuff in the media. Either it's a video or it's a screenshot. Fine. Now control B once again. If you want to record your video, just click on this section, select the area. Now if you want to record all the area, like I have 32 inches screen, just click on this one. So now you are recording all the area. Fine. So just click on this one to start recording. It's up to you how you are using. So in this way you can install and also use the capture. So guys, I hope you are enjoying our videos and also the series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.